Hi, my name is Julie, and this is my van JT. And the reason why he's called JT is because I travel with my partner Karen, and hers is JT, and mine is JT Junior.
Love it.
I don't put anything in the front because I want to keep it like nobody knows that what I'm doing. Everybody has a bag in the front seat, so if I can get away with that.
Will you tell us what kind of van you have, please?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
2015 Chevy Cargo Express.
Nice.
I have my screens for bugs. And then you can look inside. I have a refrigerator, 2 batteries.
Can you tell me a little bit about your insulation there?
I put reflectix around it because Bob Wells says that's good to do to keep it cool. And then I have 3 dressers. It's like my kitchen.
Which one is your kitchen? Do you want to step in or sit in?
This is like my kitchen stuff. And this is just like toilet stuff. More kitchen stuff over here. I bring my water with me, and I've learned my lesson to make sure that you Velcro it. Please edit this. What do you call these?
Bungees. I'm not good at editing, so we're just going to roll with it.
You make sure to bungee your water in because I had mine spill in the van at the last meetup. I have 2 batteries. I just keep trying them out to see which one works the best. An EcoFlow and a Vitomin.
How many watts is this EcoFlow? Okay.
800.
Okay, alrighty. And that's EcoFlow. Do you know what?
Delta 3.
Delta 3, perfect. And what do you have here?
Vitomin, and that's a 600.
Nice.
And
And
a big thing into humidity.
Yes.
Watch out for humidity in
Yes.
vans. I use these, they work well, and I use these too, and you can reuse them. They're microwavable when they turn blue.
do you get that from
Amazon.
Okay. Why do we ask that anymore? Amazon has everything. I've never seen that one. That's cool. How much about does that run?
I think it was 4 of them for like 20.
Nice.
And my bed is actually a chair. It'll fold up. I can't do it right now, but it folds up into a chair, and then it goes down as a bed.
Is it the seating that comes with the van?
Nothing came with this. This is
Oh, it's a
all
cargo.
mine.
Okay.
It's a cargo. It was completely empty.
Okay.
This is my ottoman, but it's also my toilet. I have these ones you put, and I put horse pellets in it.
Nice.
And I can sit on it, and nobody knows that it's a toilet, except you now.
Double duty. That's wonderful. Can I kneel in and
Yeah.
get a full? You have so many niceties that make it homey. LED lights, and I love your dream catchers and your pillows.
I also have a max air fan up top.
Oh yes. They are wonderful to have. Dream catchers and cozies to snuggle up to. This is so funny, this
Screen
pillow.
for bugs. Just old curtains.
They're so feminine and girly. I love it.
Under there is where I have electric cords and stuff like that.
In your garage, very
And
nice.
it holds the head of my bed up. Chair. Bed.
Excellent, excellent. So your bed is a chair, like a chase lounge?
Yeah, it'll come up. I can't do it right now.
It's okay.
See, that's the arms, and it'll come right up.
Oh, okay. Very
It works
clever.
for me, very comfortable.
Nice. Now, are you full-time or part-time?
I'm part-time, but I want to be full-time.
Ah, interesting. Okay.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Bye-bye.